Good morning. So, today we know about what is the difference between internet and intranet. In previous slides or in previous video, we know what is internet and what is the intranet. In this video, we know about what is the difference between the internet and intranet. Okay. So, difference between the internet and intranet are: internet is used to connect different network of computers simultaneously, but in the intranet is owned by private firms. In internet there are multiple users. In intranet there are limited users are present. In internet it is unsafe because more users are present, but in intranet it is safe because small area and small peoples are working. That's why it is safe as comparison to internet. Next is, in internet there are more numbers of visitors, but in intranet there are less number of visitors. Last one is, in internet is a public network, whereas intranet is a private network. So, these all about your difference between the internet and intranet. In next slide, what is modem? So, modem is also a components of computer network. Modem is a interconnecting devices for networking, for using the internet. We are generally used modem. So, modem is a hardware device that allows the computer to connect the internet over existing telephone line. A modem is not integrated with the motherboard, rather than it is installed on the PCI slot found on the motherboard. It is also stands for modulator and demodulator because it converts the digital data into an analog signal over the telephone line. Again, it converts analog signal to digital data. When it converts digital data to analog data or analog signal, the process is known as the modulating, and when it converts the analog signal to digital data, the process is known as demodulating. That's why we also called modem for modulator and demodulator. So, in this picture, this is the wireless laptop and this is the wired PC. So, wired and wireless router, we were using modem for both laptop and PC. Next is our, what is IP address? What do you mean by IP address? So, IP address is the identification of a system, like a student's roll number. When we identify a student by his or her roll number, like that we are identifying a system or location of the user by searching the IP address. So, IP address is an address having information about how to reach a specific host, especially outside the LAN. When inside the LAN the users are working, it is simple, no need of the IP address. But when inside the LAN there are small users, means minimum number of users. So, for that we need no need of the IP address because we are identifying the users by the network. But when it beyond the LAN, like MAN, WAN, means global network, we require IP address for specific the users or host. Okay. An IP address is a 32-bit unique address having an address space of 2 to the power 32. Generally, there are two notations in which IP address is written: dotted decimal notation and hexadecimal notation. So, it is the classful addressing of 32-bit IP address. So, 32-bit IP address is divided into 5 subclasses. These are class A, B, C, D and E. Each of these classes has a valid range of IP addresses. Classes D and E are reserved for multicast and experimental purposes respectively. The order of bits in the first octet determine the classes of IP address. So again, IP address is have two versions. These are, one is your IPv4 means version 4 and another one is IPv6 means version 6. So IP address is divided into two versions. One is your IPv4 and another one is your IPv6. And IP address is itself divided into two parts. One is known as network ID, another one is your host ID. So network ID is identify a network and host ID is identify host on the network where the network is present. So this is the diagram of your class A, B, C, D and E. In this basis we are defining or classifying the classes of the different IP address. So first we go to know about class A. So class A is net ID is 8-bit and host ID is other than the 8-bit. So net ID is 8-bit and host ID is the 24-bit. The network ID is 8 bits long and the host ID is the 24 bits long. It contains a large number of hosts and it is assigned to a large organization. The higher order bit of the first octet in class A is always set to 0 and it is always set to 0 and it is always set to 8 and it is the 16, it is the 24 and it is the 32. Okay. Next is class B. So in class B, net ID is 8-bit and net ID is your 16-bit and host ID is 16-bit. It is used for the middle level of the organization. And class C is the opposite of class A. Here net ID is 24-bit and host ID is the 8-bit. That's why it is used for our small organization. Next is class D is used for multiclass, multicasting and class E is reserved for the big host. So these all about your the 32-bit IP address and subclasses. So basically IP address is the unique identification of a computer system. IP address have two versions, IPv4 and IPv6. IP address is divided into two parts, network ID and host ID. Basing on the network ID and host ID, we are dividing or classifying the classes or subclasses of the IP address into 5 parts. Class A, B, C, D and E. D and E is used for the multicasting and reserved. A, B, C is used for the organization, whereas A is used for the large, B is medium and C is the used for small organization basing on their net ID and host ID. Next is our difference between the IPv4 and IPv6. What is the basically difference between the versions? Okay. So IPv4 has 32-bit address length, whereas IPv6 has 128-bit address length. It supports manual and DHCP address configuration whereas IPv6 supports auto and renumbering address configuration. In IPv4, end-to-end connection integrity is unachievable, whereas in IPv6, end-to-end connection integrity is achievable. Next point is, in IPv4, it can generate 4.29 into 109 address space, whereas in IPv4, address space is quite larger in comparison to IPv4. Next, IPv4 is security feature is dependent on application, but in this security feature is inbuilt. In IPv4, we require the security features, but in IPv already inbuilt security is present in there. In address representation of IPv4 in decimal, but whereas in IPv6 address representation is hexadecimal. So these all about the difference between the IPv4 and IPv6. In